Hello, guys. I know this is a good channel, and it's called Anime Max and Jake. You ready to see my face? Here. Hello. Alright, so as you didn't know, we're gonna be doing a video today on my computer. Look at this. I downloaded the Explore Stock Library and I downloaded this for free. And I downloaded it for Windows since I have Windows computer. Why the did you do that? Why the? Alright, so today, wait, hold up. Oh, no! I wanna do something. I wanna play Minecraft. Yeah. Beat. Wait, so we have Roblox. Bruh. Alright, we're gonna play some Minecraft since that's always cheering me up. Yeah! It loaded. Alright, since I like my Java edition of Minecraft's not loading, so I think we should just play this. Roll up my sleeves, white these boots with the fur. Just kidding, that's an old song. Alright, but I got some Nikes on. I mean Adidas is on. Sorry Nike, I betrayed you from all you done. About you, Okay. Alright. What the heck? Alright, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be. Hold up. Let me see if there's anything in the store we should delve into. Come on already! Alright. Oh! Wait. Oh! I kicked it so hard, but my ball is gone. Oh God. Alright, so I have a messy room. Okay, the store's not opening, so we're just gonna play Lifeboat Network. Look at this. See, I'm explaining to you that I'm not playing on controller and I'm playing on PC. The reason why I'm playing on PC is I have the gaming program, the Windows thing is open, the Windows, and I have the program to stream on like this, and I launch Minecraft, and I have my cursor, and you don't see my remote. Look, if my cursor goes on this, see, it turns green. So that's how I'm playing on PC. What the freak? Alright. Oh. I want to see if Arvin's gonna answer. Oh. We can't. The battery's at 10%. Oh, what the freak? Bruh. Let me see if my iPad can work. Wait. I took off my shoe. Alright. My shoes are on. Okay. Hold up. Alright, my shoes are on and yeah. Whoa. Look at that. What is this? What is that? What is this? What is this? Bro, can you tell me what this is? I want to break it. Why am I in survival mode and I can fly? Bruh. You need to freaking fix Minecraft, bro. Alright, let's put the mic much closer. Move the camera and face it. Yeah, much better. Alright. Santa Claus! Bruh, I wanna see you. Look at those. What are those? What the heck are you wearing, Santa? What is this? Look like a freaking candy cane. Alright, so guys, did you just know that I just roasted Santa? I just roasted. Skywars Battle Royale. Well, actually, Skywars. I'm like kind of like getting the feeling of Skywars. Why am I not going yet? Alright. Oh! Okay. Let's go. Can you do something? Can you do something? Build the bridge. I'm not even anywhere. Still in the freaking lobby. Said build a bridge. What do you want me to use, huh? Wait, is it actually saying it? Oh no. Oh, where am I? Where am I? Why did I drop that? Hey, Mister. On my book? Oh, wait, what? Alright. Hey, Mister. I'm looking you in the eyes, okay? Just talk to me and everything will be alright. Sir, just talk to me. What is going on? Okay, I just did a voice crack. I'm so scared now to talk. Alright. Handyman. Alright. 2235. Alright. Gonna get this. And then we're gonna get this. And then we're gonna get this. I think I need this on my inventory. And this. And we have to do this. Wait, what do we do this with? Go portal and this. Yay! Alright. So okay, wait. Okay, now I need my WoW token. Whatever it said. Wait, what did it say? Whoa token, yeah. Whoa token. Alright. Oh! Oh, look at that. Look how nice they are. Bill, why aren't you building? Bill! What the freak just happened? Literally, what the freak just happened? YouTube, you know what just happened? Can I ever go in the... Wait, what?